will teach you the lesson multiplication rules with multiple terms. So let's start with the warm-up. My first expression is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Positive 2 times positive, the answer will be a positive answer. Next one, positive set 4 multiplied by negative 7, the answer will be negative 28. Next one, positive 5 multiplied by negative 6, the answer will be negative 30. Negative 8 multiplied by negative 2, the answer will be positive 16. Okay, the next activity, I will ask you to move and sort out the card. So there are 3 categories that you need to do it. So first of all is greater than 0, which means positive. The second one is equal 0. And the last one is less than 0, that means negative. So let's start with the first one. 1 multiplied by negative 5, which equals negative 5. That is a negative answer. 5 times 6 is 30. So that is a positive answer. 9 times negative 9, negative 81. That is a negative answer. Negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. Positive. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12, negative answer. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Negative 4 times 0, any number multiplied with 0 equals 0. So 0 times 8 is 0. So now let's start with the problem. 3 multiplied by 9 multiplied by negative 2. So how can we do that? We're going to start from left to right. So 3 times 9, positive 3 times positive 9 equals 27. Positive. And then we multiply with negative 2. So when we have 27 multiplied with negative, the answer will be a negative answer. And now we set it up. 27 times 2. 2 times 7 is 14. We write 4. We remember 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So the final answer is negative 54. The next one we're going to do is negative 10 multiplied with 4 multiplied with positive 10. So we're going to do the same thing. Negative 10 times 4. The answer will be negative 40. And then you multiply with 10. So negative 40 times 10 is negative 400. The next problem is 5 times negative 9 times positive 3. So 5 times negative 9 is negative 45. Negative 45 multiplied by 3. We know the answer will be a negative answer. So 43 multiplied with 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Remember 1. 3 times 4 is 12. 135. With the negative we already have, the answer will be negative 135. Next problem we're going to have is negative 7 times 9 times 8. So we know negative 7 times 9 is negative 63. Multiply with a. Negative times positive, the answer will be a negative answer. So we need to set up 63 multiply with a. A times 3 is 24. We write 4, we remember 2. A times 6 is 48. Remember 2 is 50. So the final answer is negative 504. The last problem is 7 times 6 times negative 7. We know that 7 times 6 is 42. Positive times negative, the answer will be a negative answer. So we have to set up 42 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Remember 1. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 1 is 29. We have the negative there already. So the final answer is negative 294. Okay, so now I would like you to pay attention in here. For every single expression we have so far, how many negative do we have? 3 times 9 times negative 2, we have 1 negative, and the answer is a negative answer. Negative 10 times 4 times 10, we have 1 negative, and the answer we get is negative answer. Same thing for the other 3 when we have 1 negative. So our answer is a negative answer. So now we don't have one more negative anymore. Right now we have 2 negatives. What is your prediction the answer will be? So please take a look. If I have 5 times negative 7, 5 times negative 7 equal negative 35. Negative times negative, the answer will be a positive answer. 35 multiplied by 2. 2 times 5 is 10, 0, remember 1. 2 times 3 is 6, remember 1 is 70. So positive 70 now. Okay. So the first one we have is positive 70. So let's use the computer to do it. And when we hit enter, we got positive 70. The next problem, negative 3 times 3 times negative 3. We have 2 negative, and the answer will be a positive answer. So let's check it. Yes, the answer is positive 27. The next problem, 4 times negative 2 times negative 8. Once again, we see 2 negative. So our answer will be a positive answer. Let's find out what is the final answer for this. 64 positive. Next one, we have 2 negative again. Negative 6 times 9 times negative 1. Positive 54. 2 times negative 3 times negative 7. And the answer is positive 42. So now let's get back to this line. We have less than 0, negative, equals 0, or greater than 0, positive. So as we already did, if we see 1 negative in the expression, it will be a negative answer. If we see 2 negative in the expression, the answer will be a positive answer. So let's start with the first one. 1 times 9 times negative 9. We see 1 negative. So the answer will be a negative answer. Let's do this one. Negative 3 times positive 7 times negative 2. We see 2 negative in the expression, so the answer will be a positive answer. We know that everything multiplied by 0 will be 0. So 0 times a times negative 2 equals 0. And negative 4 times 0 times negative 2 equals 0. The next problem is positive a times positive 5 times positive 6. The answer will be a positive answer. 5 times negative 5 times positive 5, we see 1 negative, so the answer will be a negative answer. 2 times negative 6 times negative 7, we see 2 negative, so our answer will be a positive answer. And the last one, the challenge one, is negative 4 times negative 3 times negative 2. So let's work with this one. Negative 4 times negative 3 equal positive 12. Multiply with negative 2. Positive times negative, the answer will be a negative, and 12 times 2 is 24. So the final answer for this is negative 24. So we're going to move it to the negative side. Thank you.